Okay, good afternoon. Now, for our class today, we'll be doing the final practical. I've shared a few materials here, right? Okay, I'll start the recording, yeah? Okay, let's go to our learning materials. Okay, finally, this would be our final practical, right? So practical 9 lab exercise. It is a series of steps by sections. Okay. I've added this one in. I screenshot from my announcement. Okay. We did this for our practical 8 previously, whereby our data file, the database was created using the SQL Express. Okay, so you might need to do this if you do not have SQL Server Express installed in your machine, right? And then the objective for our practical 9 is to apply what we have learned, okay, for our chapter 9 lecture. It involves, what did it involve? It involved the errors and also debugging, right? The exception handling. So the first section is using the try catch and page error method. This one would be the page level exception handling. All the materials is available in a zip file. Okay, and then you continue to section B. Section B is where you will create a custom error page. And then for this one, I believe it is for the not F, 404. Okay, 404 file not found status code. And if you move on, this is the last part where this is the application level exception handling, okay, using the application error method, where you need to add in these codes. These codes are already given to you in the global SX file. And then you'll need to also add in your own codes to display a detailed message according to the example given in figure 3. So the one in, I think the one in bold, okay, alert, one error was encountered in. That one would be your response.write. Perhaps you can use just a normal text if you want to display in a paragraph. Okay, it should be okay. This one can be displayed in a paragraph. Otherwise, if you just want to display in normal text, don't forget to add in break. Break, I believe this one requires more than one break. Okay, followed by one error was encountered in. And then this one, you need to concatenate with the location, okay, which is stored in this application variable, okay, over here. And then followed by page, okay. Page is another text, and then followed by this particular message. So to concatenate your HTML codes with your C# code, you just use the concatenator operator, the plus symbol. And I believe if you want to add in the red color for HTML, you can use the span element. Again, then style, you set it to color red. Okay, so you have the 3 sections here, starting from the page level exception handling, using try catch and patch error method. Um, and then this one is creating a custom error page. And the last one would be application level exception handling using application error method. So all these files are ready for you. You just need to add it in. Okay, and then there are some discussions question which I want you all to answer. Okay, and then before you start, there's one discussion question as well, right? That is available from our step-by-step guide, our final practical 9. Okay, moving on. I didn't prepare any demo video for this practical because the steps are very clear cut. I'm sure you can do this on your own. You can always refer to your slides. You can always refer to online resources. If you can find on your own, then that's good. But I take note that I will also share some online resources if it is relevant for our course. Okay. So over here, there's I try to share the resources from our Microsoft documentation. Okay, this is exception handling in C#, try catch. Okay, and then this one is exception handling, which also include the application level. Okay, using the application error method. Okay, and then for those who haven't done your practical 4, okay, I've compiled a list of online resources. Okay, overview of all the data bound controls, grid view, details view, form view, repeater, data list, and list view. In fact, this particular link I've added in the practical submission. Okay, and then if you click on that link, you can go to any of the user, any of the data bound controls that you want. Over here, because the first lab exercise for practical 4 involves repeater, these are some of the examples. And then for the second practical 4, okay, the lab exercise 2 involves data list. So I have also shared some online references as well. Okay, so the rest of the announcement are still here. And then I think that's about it. This one is still needed for practical 9. Okay. Now, so for today, there's no practical demo video. You need to do this on your own. Okay, so the practical 9 lab exercise submission has been posted. Okay, so let's review the assignment. Okay, so there are 3 sections like what I mentioned just now. You just need to follow the instruction given in your lab exercise, the PDF file, yeah, the step-by-step guidelines. Okay, and then I've already prepared for you the Google Docs where you can insert your screenshots and also answer all the discussion questions. And materials for practical 9 are available in this attached zip file. Okay, let's take a look at the Google Docs. Okay, so I've added in to make it like easier for you all. Okay, you know what to do. I'll just what I did was I just extract out the important things that you need to submit, answer, insert screenshot into this Google Docs, like answer for this discussion question. Okay, a screenshot after you do this, another screenshots. You can give me more than 1 screenshots after you do this. This one is for section A, the page level exception handling. Okay, and then the custom error page after you do this. Okay, then you can do the screenshots. The numbering here, I still follow the step-by-step PDF file, yeah. And then section C, you need to do this and then give me your screenshots. Right, and then there are these discussions question, and please provide your answers as well. Once you're done, then you need to click turn in. All right, so this one should due today. Let me see. I think I need to show you our Article 9 material. Okay, so I already opened this. Hang on. Oops. Okay, let me try this. So if you open the solution, you should be able to see that you have your database here in the app data. Okay, and then make sure you already upgrade it to SQL Express. It's a bit slow for me. But then the steps are the same. You need to go to the advanced, modify connection, change from SQL Express to the MS SQL. What was the name already? Hang on. Yeah, this is the one. Okay. Sorry about that. So that one, let me close this. Okay, and then all the error pages are available here in this error pages folder. Okay, there's a file not found. This is, I believe, for section C. The images are found here, but you all will not touch on the images. Okay, and then what else? Yep, you will start off with the page error, or you will start off with the try catch. Okay, you will start with try catch. Okay, where you will be able to see this simple word form. Okay, enter the two numbers. Let me try this. Hang on, still building. It's good to see the progress in your output window. Okay. Yeah, I'm supposed to do a build, but I didn't do any build, so it's before running my application, it builds my solution first. So if I type 7 divided by 2, then answer is 3.5. Okay, and then this one is not supposed to be here. Okay, this one's supposed to be there when it is set to 0. Okay, not set, when the user enters 0. So this one is actually the LBL message. Okay, LBL message. So you will work on the try catch page, and then there's one more page error. Okay, if you notice, the page error.aspx also is the same page. Okay, and then we have the custom error for section B, right? And then we have another one, which is the application error. Okay, still same thing. Okay, still the same layout of the web form. Okay, so I believe that's it. So it's already 2:15. I think you all can go ahead and do this practical. Okay. Let me see. There's no question in the chat box. All right. Yes, Vera. Yes. How should you screenshot? Okay, let me show you those who have done that. You can see screenshot show the um, user control. Mm-mm. Itu saja. I believe you have already done your scan, Farah. Ah, ah, ah. So you have idea already what the screenshot? Okay, good. So if the rest have no other questions, yes, sure. Oh, Ivan is not here. Let me see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Oh, 13. Oh, suppose. Oh, one more. Oh, Wong. Wong is not here. Wong and Ivan. Okay, thank you for informing me. Since morning, cannot be. Kalau internet, then he will inform you all, kan? Oh, I really hope everything is okay. Okay. So, I will stop the recording and you guys can go ahead and do it.